What if I told you there's a simple movement, no machines, no equipment, that can build leg strength, improve posture, boost your energy, and yes, even support your libido? Sounds wild, right? But it's real, and most people over 50 have never even heard of it. It's called the horse stance, and while it may look like just standing, don't be fooled. This ancient pose has been practiced for centuries by martial artists, healers, and athletes, not for how it looks, but for what it does. Here's the kicker. It only takes 2 minutes a day, and you can do it in your living room, your kitchen, or even next to your bed. No gym membership, no running, no strain on your joints. But the real value? It trains your mind just as much as your muscles. And what it does for balance, joint health, pelvic circulation, and even hormonal vitality might surprise you. In this video on the Seniors Hub, I'll break down exactly why the horse stance works and how you can start using it today to stay strong, sharp, and centered after 50. Stick with me because benefit number 7 is something nobody talks about, but everyone over 50 should know. Before we get started, drop your name and where you're watching from in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Let's face it, after 50, leg strength isn't just about looking fit. It's about getting up from a chair without using your hands, climbing stairs without wincing, and walking confidently without worrying about losing your balance. The horse stance is like a power station for your lower body. When you sink into this position, your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and calves all fire up at once, and they stay activated the entire time you hold the pose. There's no bouncing, no pounding, just pure, controlled tension. And that's where the magic happens. Unlike fast-paced exercises that can wear down your knees or hips, this stance builds strength without wear and tear. It's gentle on the joints, but tough on the muscles, the perfect combo for the aging body. And here's something most people don't realize. The stronger your legs are, the more independent you stay. From carrying groceries to catching your balance on a wet floor, your legs are your life support. Just 2 minutes a day of horse stance can restore power you didn't know you'd lost and give you a grounded, steady feeling that radiates into everything you do. Because aging gracefully doesn't mean losing strength. It means building smarter. Most people think core strength is about six-pack abs, but after 50, it's about something far more important: stability, posture, and protecting your spine. The horse stance quietly works your entire core, not just your front, but your sides, obliques, and deep lower back muscles too. When you hold this position, your body has to stabilize itself without leaning forward, twisting, or collapsing. That subtle effort, it's your core firing on all cylinders. Here's why this matters. A strong core reduces pressure on your lower back, helps you sit and stand longer without pain, and improves how your body moves as a whole. Everyday things like turning while driving, standing in line, or even getting out of bed become smoother and less tiring. And unlike crunches or planks that can strain the neck or shoulders, the horse stance teaches core endurance, the kind of strength that holds you upright through your day. This is the quiet, behind-the-scenes power that keeps you standing tall and pain-free. No flashy moves, no fast reps, just you, breathing, holding, and getting stronger where it truly counts. Because after 50, your core isn't cosmetic, it's foundational. One of the most overlooked signs of aging is the quiet loss of balance. You don't notice it until you miss a step, stumble over the curb, or start reaching for walls just in case. But what if you could train your body to sense itself better without even moving? That's where the horse stance comes in. Holding this position forces your body to stay centered from your feet to your head. Your muscles fire to keep you upright. But more importantly, your brain reactivates something called proprioception, your internal GPS that tells you where your body is in space. Think of it like recalibrating your balance system. Over time, this not only improves stability, but helps you move with more confidence, whether you're hiking, dancing, or just walking down the driveway on a slick morning. And here's a bonus. This balance training doesn't require standing on one foot or any fancy equipment. It's you, your breath, and a simple daily practice that can transform the way your body feels. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the Seniors Hub, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with someone who could benefit from these powerful, simple movements. Your support helps us bring more life-changing health and wellness content to amazing seniors like you. Drop a comment below and let us know when you'll start your first 2-minute horse stance session. Let's get stronger together.